It's Monday, everyone. We just arrived at our site in Pennsylvania. We're traveling a little heavy today. We got a long way to the top of this mountain, boys. So everyone, so the machine and trailer wouldn't make it up together, so we got to track the machine separately. Hopefully that truck will make it up. Pretty steep part of Pennsylvania we're in right now. We have to do this quite often, so wish us all the best of luck. Should be able to get up to the top eventually. It's going to be a pain in the ass though to get our stone in here and our concrete. We're going to have to figure out a way to do all that. With cell tower work, it takes special people to deal with all these headaches. You never know what you're going to get involved in until you get there. Yeah, I'm going to speed up the video, and it's going to be a while until I get to the top, so check you guys out in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to do a video showing what we're doing at Full Tilt today. We're up in upstate Pennsylvania, putting in a new At&t site for Jacobs. Right there, we're going to be putting in a generator pad. It's going to have concrete, wire, and rebar. We'll update that as we go on. All the layout you see, we get off prints that we get from the companies we're doing the work with. Right there, it's hard to see, but that little pink dot is going to be the meter can. So yeah, we'll put a backboard in there, two posts, the backboard, and a meter can. The power is going to be coming off that pole as well as the fiber. We'll trench across, as Mr. Bowen's doing right now. Down the driveway. The new tower is going to be inside of that high tension power line structure that holds up the power lines as they go down. We do this a lot. They try to keep all the utilities together. That's a nationwide thing. In the middle of the road here, we have a little predicament. We're trying to get some help out here to figure out where we're going to move this to. The layout didn't work with what the prints say. So right here is going to be the wick though, and that'll hold all the fiber equipment. It's usually air conditioned and heated for its change of season, so the equipment doesn't get damaged from weather. There's a lot of work here to do. There's going to be concrete work, steel tying, CAD welding, excavation, finish grading, seed straw, pipe work. Yeah, site of week here at Full Tilt. Later.